Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these adorable centerpieces for your kids' birthdays. And I actually made this for only a few dollars. You don't need a lot of things. And I also made all of her party favors that you see here on the table. I actually have this mermaid theme available over in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, you can find a link in the description box down below. But let's head on over to the table and I'm going to show you how to make the centerpieces. Stay tuned. Guys, here's what you're going to need. You can find these little buckets at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart for $1. They come in multiple different colors. I'm using white. You're going to need some shredded paper. You can also find these at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart for no more than $1 a bag. You can find these in multiple different colors. For the mermaid theme, I'm going to be using this blue paper. You're going to need your images. I have gone ahead and cut out all of my images. I cut these out on the glossy photo paper. I wanted them to have a glossy finish to them, but you can also use cardstock paper. And I'll leave a link to these images in the description box down below, but they came from Musca Clip Arts. You're gonna need some foam, the type of foam that you use for like flower arrangements, and you're gonna want to cut it to size to fit inside of your bucket. Now, also, you're going to need some little tissue paper to stuff your bucket. Instead of using extra foam, you can use some tissue paper, and I'll show you what I mean. And you're going to need some sticks to put your items, put your photos on, to stick them down inside the bucket. And you're going to need your hot glue gun. So let's make the centerpiece. All right, guys. So, and that's all I did here. And I just took some of my little pieces. You can put a little glue on them to help them stay down in there. The little smaller pieces, and I just stuck them in there. So let's go sit this on the table and see how it looks.
It's like doing
All right, these are the Capri Sun. Can you see? These are the Capri Sun juices. These are the chip bags. And these are the little Rice Krispie treats. Alright.
And here's the unicorn tape.
Guys, here's how everything looks all put together. The centerpieces came out so adorable, and they only cost a few dollars to make. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and check out the other party favorites that I made. I made the Capri Sun labels, the Rice Krispie treats, and the chip bags. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. I actually found the cake at Walmart. This is, I think it is the unicorn cake, which goes really good with a mermaid theme also. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow me on all of my social media channels, and check out my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com. Bye.